Welcome back, my fellow cruisers. Thank you for joining as we proceed with 3 new major stories in our popular cruise news updates from cruisehive.com. Carnival Conquest just got decked out with brand new funnel fire suppression system. Now think massive red hoses mounted on both sides of the ship, ready to blast extreme pressure water straight at the funnel if things ever heat up. This upgrade comes after Carnival Freedom's funnel caught fire twice, once in 2022 and again in 2024 after a lightning strike. Now, passengers spotted crew testing the system late at night, and while Carnival hasn't officially commented, a fleet-wide rollout seems likely. Fire at sea are rare, but this move shows Carnival is taking no chances. Between firefighting teams, smoke detectors, and now this new system, they're turning lessons learnt into next-level safety. Norwegian Cruise Line just brought back their fan-favourite free at sea deal, and it's hitting right before Black Friday. Now we're talking major perks: unlimited open bar, specialty dining, Starlink Wi-Fi and shore excursion credits worth over $2,000 in savings on a 7-night cruise. And the best part, well, you can customise it. Ditch those drinks or dining if that's not your vibe and save even more. But heads up, gratuities still apply, about $28.50 per person per day for drinks and $20 per specialty meal. Every ship, every sailing, every port, it's on. With 50% off all cruises right now, this is the time to lock in that 2026 adventure. Port Everglades is about to be buzzing on November the 7th as 7 cruise ships are docking in Fort Lauderdale, which means traffic's going to be wild. The port sent out an alert for its passengers in regards to increased traffic congestion. So if you're sailing out, plan extra time to hit your terminal, as nobody wants to miss Sail Away because they were stuck on Eisenhower Boulevard. Now we're talking Island Princess, Liberty of the Seas, Radiance of the Seas and more, plus the brand new Celebrity XL is in port getting ready for her debut. Disney Destiny and Star Princess are also joining the lineup this month. Basically, it's cruise chaos, so my advice is to be patient and plan ahead. And that's it for me today, cruisers. My name is Paul, and all the news you require is over on cruisehive.com. Now, if anyone has any news, you can email us at newstips@cruisehive.com. Please show your support by liking our video and please subscribing to our channel. I hope you have a good day, cruisers, and I'll see you in the next video.